Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech and Art. Guys, hope you are doing well. Hope you covered all the last session. Whoever new on my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get the further video notification. So let's start today's session. So guys, today's session is a basic small topics which we should all aware of. It's basically backup related topics. So we are going to discuss in this session, how to take the split backup and what is the advantage of this split backup, why Microsoft introduced split backup, right? So let's talk a bit here. So suppose you have a situation, you have a very big database and you don't have that much space in a drive, and you need to take the immediate backup and send it to the client or any requirement, right? So if you don't have a space to create a single backup file, so you can use this the features split backup and create a multiple backup file in a multiple drive location or network location, whatever, right? So what it will do, what is this feature split backup? Suppose you have a 100 GB backup file normally, so what it will do, it will divide if you want to take in a 4 different files, it will split equally like 25 GB 25 GB 25 GB. So it will divide it in four files, and you can keep it in a different location, different drive or different network path. So this is the best advantage to take the taking the backup with split backup features. So the major advantage, another advantage, that is also the disk IO perspective. Let's assume you are taking the backup, you are writing the backup on a particular drive like drive D, 100 GB. So definitely disk IO will be increased. So if you divide it in a 4 files, definitely it will write different drive or different network location. So disk IO will be very less in this if you are using the split backup. While sending the backup also, the small size of backup file is quite easier to send rather than the big backup files. So this is the big advantage of taking the split backup. So I will show you the live demo. So this is my management studio and instance Tech 01 and Tech 02. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the split backup of database Tech 03. So I have 2 drive only here. You guys create multiple backup files. I just want to show you only 2 backup files. I'm dividing in 2 parts. So I used my drive C and drive D, right, where I'm going to keeping the backups, and we'll see whether the backup is writing there or it's very it's a valid file or not, whether the header is okay or not. So let me execute this backup. So I just now ran the script. If you come here, yes, so backup is completed now, right, successfully. So if you go and verify the physical location, if you see here Tech 0315973228, and another file I have used the drive C, there also 97392. So it's almost equal file which internally Microsoft is dividing, right? If you will take the single file, definitely it will be double, right? So if you verify the backup with the restore verify only command, whether the particular backup is valid or not. So let me execute. If you come here, see the message, the backup set of the file 1 is valid, so it's a valid backup file. If you go with check the header also, so what header is saying, so your database backup name Tech 03 full database backup and everything, you will get the here all the details. So header is also okay, there is no issue at all, right? So I have taken here the 2 only, I have split it in 2 parts. You can use multiple parts also, and see, and you guys try to restore also with the same backup, whether that particular backup we are able to restore or not. You do the restore. I leave it restore portion in this session. I'm not going to use that backup and restoring the database, whether we are checking, because I have already validated the backup is okay, right? So this is the best advantage to taking the split backup. Whenever you have the space crunch or database size is too huge, if you are going with a single backup file, definitely you will get the disk IO alert. Also, it will be taking too time again, and also, if you are sending the backup, if you the requirement is you need to send the backup to someone else, then also a bigger database backup file will take too much time, right? So this is the best advantage to taking the split backup. So it's a small topics. Hope it will be help for them whoever started the DBA work at the initial phase. It's a very useful topic. Every beginner should know about these features, because normally in a initial phase we are getting the small chunk of work like taking the backup, restoration and all. If you will aware about these features like a split backup, definitely it will help for you. So hope it's clear, guys. Thanks for watching, and please, whoever not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that I will get the notification and I will upload more videos for you. Bye bye. Thank you.